Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to customize new folder name creation template in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click H key current user. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click Current Version. Click Explorer. Create new key under Explorer. Named as Naming Templates. Right side of the pane, create new string value named, rename name template. Double-click the string. Close the registry and exit. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.